In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT to gain insightful summaries and analyses of books. Whether you're prepping for an exam, writing a book review, or simply want to revisit the themes of a novel you enjoyed, I'll guide you through the seamless process of engaging with this powerful tool. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, log into your account. The chat interface you'll encounter is designed to be straightforward, making it easy to type in your requests and receive detailed responses. When it's time to make a request, you can begin by typing your request into the chat box. For example, if you're interested in summarizing Atomic Habits by James Clear into 10 bullet points, make sure to state this clearly. The specificity in your request ensures that ChatGPT understands exactly what you're looking for. As you explore more complex texts like The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, you might want a short summary that delves into the main themes and symbols. Including specific details in your request can help the tool generate a more tailored and valuable analysis. For instance, you might mention that you've just finished reading the book and specify the particular aspects of symbolism and theme you are curious about. Once ChatGPT generates a summary, it's a good practice to carefully review it. This review process is crucial to ensure that it covers the essential plot points and includes the main characters that are central to the story. This reflection can help you determine if additional details are needed to meet your particular objectives. Sometimes prompts require adjustments to capture every nuance you're after. Feel free to use follow-up prompts to refine what you get. For example, you might want more information about the ending of a book without revealing spoilers, or perhaps a more in-depth focus on the character development of a particular character, like Jay Gatsby. By prompting ChatGPT with these clarifications, you ensure the summary meets your expectations and needs. Additionally, after your summary is complete, you can ask ChatGPT to format it according to your preferences. Whether it's in bullet points, short and concise paragraphs, or even a timeline style, the flexibility in formatting allows you to organize information in a way that best suits your study notes, book review, or prospective presentation. Finally, always remember to save or copy the summary that ChatGPT generates. Keeping a record of these analyses is beneficial, as it can serve as a handy reference for future discussions or academic purposes. With this comprehensive approach, you'll be well equipped to explore literary works with a depth of understanding, aided by ChatGPT's efficient support.